special in Billiard Red.
Gloss Black Prodigy wheels feature 19-inch front and 18-inch rear aluminum wheels so you can roll around with style and attitude. Blacked out front forks, handlebars, tank console, and exhaust for an aggressive modern look. The Milwaukee 8 114 engine is the largest displacement engine in the standard HD touring models. You get 114 inches of passing and horizon chasing power.
If you like this bike, make sure to check it out online at hdflorida.com or in store.